Hi friends, this is Abhishek Kumar from Mega Vidya and today we are going to discuss the concept of angular momentum. Starting with the definition of angular momentum. So, the question arises, what is angular momentum? We have already studied about momentum. Basically, momentum gives the complete motion of the body or it gives the complete motion of any mass. In the same sense, angular momentum discusses the motion of a rigid body. Like momentum, angular momentum may be defined as the angular velocity possessed by any rigid body due to the application of external torque on it. It may also be defined as the moment of momentum. It gives the turning effect of momentum. Mathematically, momentum may be defined as the product of the moment arm or the perpendicular distance from the axis of rotation and momentum. Or we can say vectorially, angular momentum may be defined as the cross product of the position vector from the axis of rotation or from the point of rotation and momentum. Let us consider the body is clamped over this point O and we are applying the momentum from certain point A. So, the angular momentum will be the cross product of the position vector OA and the momentum P. In terms of Cartesian coordinate, we can say the angular momentum will be equal to the length of coordinate or the position vector of coordinate along the x-axis and momentum along y-axis, or we can directly say L is equal to xpy minus ypx. In terms of polar coordinate, angular momentum can be written as rp sine phi. In terms of torque, we can say L is equal to integration of tau dt. Now, since angular momentum is defined as the cross product of position vector and momentum, thus it is directed perpendicular to the position vector as well as momentum. But since the actual direction is of no concern, we are mainly concerned about the sense of rotation. Basically, the sense of rotation. In this figure, we are applying momentum at point A. The sense of rotation will come out to be anti-clockwise sense. And in the second figure, the sense of rotation is clockwise sense. As a matter of convention, the anti-clockwise sense of rotation is taken to be positive.